Hey, I've got a question for you. After a summer of potluck dinners and family get-togethers, are you tired of having the same 2 or 3 deli salads night after night? Now, I'm the first one to dig into a big bowl of potato salad, and I'll never turn my back on a creamy coleslaw. But every now and then, I want to change things up. If that sounds like you, you're going to love the change of pace side dish we're making today. The first thing we do is cut a good amount of broccoli and cauliflower into florets and blanch them. Then, into a cold water bath they go to stop them from cooking. After draining them, we add a red onion that we've cut into half moons. For the dressing, we mix together some mayo with a bit of apple cider vinegar. We use apple cider vinegar to add a light, fruity tang to our dressing. Okay, after we mix this with the veggies, we finish it with some dried cranberries, a handful of salted cashews, and some smoky bacon. With the freshness of the veggies, the crunchiness of the nuts and the bacon, and the fruitiness of the cranberries, it's the perfect partner to whatever you're serving. To get the recipe for our cauliflower and broccoli salad, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh new way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Crunchy, nutty, bacony.